Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video I thought I'd show you close up Nissan Silvia from the Street Tuners series, the premium. I'm going to open this one as well. So yeah, there she is. This is the only one I have in the Street Tuners series. I'm definitely on the lookout getting some more. But at the moment it's just the S15. So yeah, let's have a look. And there it is. I really like the wheels on this car. I would definitely be tempted to buy another one of these and strip it for the wheels and put it on something else. Yeah, there she is. I only really just started getting into the premium cars. Got lots of the mainline stuff, but only within the last few months started getting into the premiums, and they don't disappoint. So yeah, there she is, the Silvia. Quite a nice paint job on this one as well. A slight shimmer to it. There it is, S15. See you on the next video.